Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enable or disable unknown sources installation on your Panasonic TN-43W70AEZ TV. So first of all, press the gear button on your remote control and open all settings menu. After that, go to privacy, and in privacy section navigate to security and restrictions, select unknown sources, and now select the application that you want to grant or revoke this access to, and to do that, just switch the toggle either to the right or to the left next to this app. And so that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.